In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on IC Markets. We'll walk through the sign-up, verification, funding, and your first login, with simple tips to keep everything smooth and hassle-free. Start by opening the IC Markets registration page using the link provided. Then choose Start Trading or Open an Account to begin. Make sure you're on the official site and that your browser shows a secure connection before entering any information. Enter your personal and contact details exactly as they appear on your official documents, then continue. Use an email you check regularly, since important messages, like your account number and platform login, will arrive there. If a contact number is requested, enter it in the correct international format so support can reach you if needed. Accuracy here matters because everything will be reviewed during verification. Next, complete your profile with your date of birth, residential address, and nationality. In some regions, you may also be asked for a tax identification number. Provide it if requested. Ensure your address matches the document you plan to upload later to avoid delays. Now choose your trading account settings. Select your platform, MT4, MT5, or CTrader, pick an account type such as Standard or Raw, and confirm your base currency. A helpful tip: matching your base currency to the one you'll deposit most often can reduce conversion fees. Standard usually includes costs in the spread, while Raw has tighter spreads with a separate commission. Set your security details by creating strong, unique credentials and choosing a security question. Store these safely and don't share them. A reputable credential manager can help you keep everything secure. To verify your account, upload a clear photo or scan of a valid government ID, like a passport or driver's license, plus a recent proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the image is in color, uncropped, and fully readable, with all corners visible and your name and address matching your profile. Common formats like JPG or PDF usually work well. Verification typically completes within a few hours and may take up to 24 hours. Watch your email in case anything else is needed. Once approved, fund your account. The minimum deposit is usually around $200, though it can vary by region and method. Choose a funding option that suits you, such as card, bank transfer, or a supported e-wallet, and note any processing times or fees. Finally, download the platform you selected, install it, and log in using the details and server information from your welcome email. If you're new or testing strategies, consider opening a demo account first to practice in a risk-free environment. That's the whole process. Use accurate information, keep an eye on your inbox, and you'll be ready to start trading with confidence.